You're never gonna guess this.
Space Ghost.
Yes!
Space Ghost.
It is game night and I'm about to call Michelle for the first time ever. I'm so excited, but also kind of nervous. Let's go. Michelle.
Hello. Is this working? Preston,
How are you doing?
Hi. Look at this setup. Look at
You
that
like
hair.
it? Look at that. Look at that.
I've seen so many of your videos and you never have one hair out of place. It's like perfect.
Where are you at right now? Are you in your backyard?
Yes, I'm in my backyard.
Whoa, hold on. Let me see that pool. Oh, yeah, okay.
It is
a
nice.
sick backyard. I would rather be in your backyard right now because I'm at the office. Love being here, but it doesn't look as pretty as that.
I'm super excited about today's game night.
It's about to be a competitive game night.
Have you had any game nights recently? Have you been training for this?
Listen, I don't know how much video game skill translates over to board game skill, but I am praying right now that it translates.
Wait, what's your star sign?
Taurus. That one, right? Is that the star?
It's Taurus season. You already have the advantage. If I lose, that's the
wrong.
excuse.
Well, okay,
I'm
wait,
a Leo.
when's your birthday?
I'm August, so I'm a Leo. We're both very competitive.
Oh, extremely. Extremely. So that means game night's gonna be intense. All right, Michelle, it's time to open up these Target boxes. It's game on.
Let's do it! Max!
All I'm saying is that chocolate is better than vanilla.
These are so classy!
These are always delicious.
Ember temperature control mug.
That one's for me.
Thank you.
You can literally connect it, app on your phone. It like stays hot for like 80 or 90 minutes. It's ridiculous.
Okay, I got CultureTags. Oh, this is amazing, and it's from a Black-owned business. That's awesome.
Look at this, it's the popcorn maker.
Well, thank you, Target.
You know,
Oh my goodness.
Target's giving us the hookups right now.
Comfy tie-dye pajamas.
Magic 8 Ball, will I beat Michelle in game night? It says yes, I swear.
Never have I ever. Definitely on the agenda for tonight.
Pictionary. This is gonna be fun for Michelle and I.
Anytime someone becomes a close friend of mine, I get them a Sonic hair. This is a way I show love. So.
Is this dope? Look at this. It's like this kid looks
That's
so
gonna be
happy.
us. We're gonna be so happy.
Yeah, get the walk. Yeah, strut it.
Okay, enough chit chat. I am ready for game time. Are you, Preston?
Don't forget your notebook, Michelle, because it's game time.
Let's do it.
We've got the popcorn, and it's time for Pictionary. Oh man, I haven't played this in so long. Refresh my memory, because it's been a little bit.
When it is your turn, you will draw a card, and I will say a color, and you have to draw whatever that colored noun is, and try to get me to guess it before the timer runs out.
You going first, Michelle?
Okay, yeah, I'll go first.
Okay, how about this one? I want you to do the action, so orange.
Yes.
You ready? Okay, go. Oh, this is next level stuff right now. Cutting, scissors, knitting, cutting the flag, cutting the napkin, cutting the corners, cutting corners.
Yes!
Cutting corners, let's go! Look how much time she had left.
Yes! Okay, are you ready?
I am ready. All right, you probably can't see it yet.
Golf. Putt-putt.
Yes! How did you guess that? Orange for action. Oh, bakers, tiny chef, cooking chef, chef Playz.
yes, cook.
You're never gonna guess this.
Space Ghost.
Yes!
Space Ghost! Cow.
That's a,
Giraffe. Horse.
no, it's,
Oh, we're out of time.
I can't do it. It's a whale, and the first one was the breaststroke, and the second one was mineral water. What are these? I really wanted to ask you this question. You're a huge role model for a lot of the younger audience that watches your content, and there's a lot of weight that comes with that. So can you let me know what your thoughts are on that?
I hope that everyone is thinking critically about the language they use around others or the way that they treat other people, you know, whether it's on camera or not, or portrayed on social media or not.
No, I definitely agree with that. Just because you don't want to influence people, especially the younger ones, to do something that you wouldn't want to have them do.
Have you ever had to decline an opportunity because you felt like it didn't agree with either your personal morals or the ones that you wanted to portray to your audience?
Oh yeah, literally yesterday. So there's nothing wrong with like saying no. It's so important to stick true to like your character. That was a good question.
Magic 8 Ball, is it time to move on to the next game? It is decidedly so.
It's time for culture tags.
Okay, how do we play?
I'm gonna flash it up like this, okay? So you have to guess the acronym. You gotta guess the most in the amount of time before the sand goes down. 3, 2, 1. All right, so think about this. We had some of it earlier from our Target boxes.
Snacks, beverage,
Think about it, look at the acronym, think about it, because it's four words, right? 4 letters.
drink. Is that one of them? Drink some ginger ale.
Yes!
Okay, we're gonna go song and lyrics for you.
I would rather,
First word is I, yes, you got that correct.
okay, I want ring,
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. The second word is wanna. I wanna.
I wanna,
Wait, what's
Repeat.
this? What's this?
oh, I want a ring, I want a
What's
ring.
inside the ring?
That's a diamond.
Which is a type of?
Rock.
Yes!
I want to rock. I want to rock when your Aunt Nancy comes over. I don't know.
I wanna rock with you all night. I think I'm gonna have more popcorn. So I'm curious, do you think there are any big misconceptions about being a gamer or gaming content creator?
I think the misconception is like connecting with people online that you've never seen their face. Because you play video games, you don't only see the face of people, but you've been playing games with them for 6 years, and then you meet them in person, and then people are like, isn't that weird? And you're like, I don't know. It's kind of normal if you play games. There was a time where 4 out of 5 of my friends never knew their faces and didn't see what they looked like before meeting up with them.
Whoa, that is amazing.
Here we go, we're back at it again. So it's romantic. It's kind of like When Pigs Fly, but it's about like romantic people.
Romantic people, what would you do for love?
Oh, it's so close. It's another word for dumb, okay? The third word, this one right here, it's fool. Okay, this is for fool.
Fool, why do fools fall in love?
Yes! That was good. That was an
my
okay
God.
hint. That was allowed.
That was so hard. Speaking of romantic stories, tell me about you and your beautiful wife, Bree.
Blind date. Brianna was a registered nurse at the emergency room, and so was my aunt. She was like, you gotta go meet my nephew. And then started dating her, proposed in 3 months, and then we had like a 6-month engagement period. This is pretty quick.
That's incredible.
What about you? I gotta know, because you got, I saw the ring.
Garrett and I met working for Valentine's Day 2 years ago. Garrett surprised me with a trip to Paris. But then the next year, I surprised him with a tropical vacation trip, and then he counter-surprised me on the beach with the proposal. I was like, how did you pull this off? And he said he had the ring for almost a year. I don't know how he kept it a secret.
Wow, that's really cute. I really like that story.
Okay, Preston, it's time for the main event. Thankfully, there's no like winner or loser of this one.
We're just both winners because we're both learning about each other, which is awesome. There's no pressure.
This is so official. Okay, ready? Have you ever had your bike stolen? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we did.
Someone broke into our apartment complex and stole all my racing bikes. It was awful.
Have you ever gotten a stamp on your passport? 3, 2, 1. Top 3 places you've been stamped.
Bora Bora, Japan.
Yes, Japan.
Yep, Japan. And India.
I cannot wait for the world to open back up because Japan is like numero uno going back. I need a snack time. All this learning, and I kind of gotta, fuel the glucose in my brain. Off the cuff, Michelle. But what challenges have you faced in YouTube that have maybe almost even made you quit your career path?
I'm the first generation in America for my family. My dad immigrated here from India. When you have a parent and grandparents who have literally given up everything to move to another part of the world where they don't even speak the language, to hopefully have a better, more opportunities for their family, feel a lot of pressure to succeed and make their immense sacrifices worth it, if that makes sense. You can't help but think, am I making the wrong choice by quitting my job and pursuing this really lofty goal over the past year, as so much of society has been opening up more and being honest with their experiences as people of color, as women of color. It's made me feel a little bit less alone, and also want to be more vocal for minority communities that don't have a voice. I also feel a responsibility to elevate other voices that don't feel heard.
Very inspirational, I love it.
Thank you.
And now we're here playing Never Have I Ever. Listen up, Michelle, it's time for a lightning round. We're gonna go back to back to back. And I will start us first, so get ready. 3, 2, 1. Never have I ever lied about my birthday at a restaurant to get free dessert.
Okay.
I was gonna be a little bit disappointed if you had said yes.
Have you ever seen yourself on a Jumbotron? I know!
We gotta change
thought that. You would have
We gotta
such a
change
cool
this.
story.
Never have I ever smuggled food or candy into a movie theater. Yeah, you don't even need to. What method? Like in the hoodie pocket, under the shirt, in the hoodie?
Well, I have a purse, so.
This is why I need a purse.
Have you ever been stranded by a car breaking down? Okay, you have to tell me.
We were in a big limousine with like 10 people, and we were in the desert for like 5 hours. From midnight to like 5 in the morning. We got there when the sun was coming up. It was crazy.
Have you ever dreamed of being a professional athlete?
Boom! A professional paintball player.
I'm actually filming a video training like a professional paintballer.
Oh my, that's amazing. That literally my dream. Michelle, it's finally time. The grand finale is upon us, which means we gotta get as comfy as possible. Come on. It comes down to this. We're gonna stack these snacks as high as possible. Winner takes all.
All right, let's do it.
The timer starts in 3, 2, 1, build! I can't think right now. I don't have time to think.
Now I'm gonna try and Jenga my way to victory. Switching these, adjusting strategy.
Okay, we are so close. This is the tallest snack tower I've ever managed to build, and I really want to get the Pringles can on top. It's causing a little bit of an awkward imbalance on my snack tower. No, no way. Oh, yes, we've done it. It's the leaning tower of snacks.
I just watched Preston defy gravity with a Pringles can. In the world of game nights, one might think, there must be a winner, there must be a loser. But I like to imagine a world where we can just coexist and say there's not a winner or a loser. Preston, this was really, really fun.
This was epic. More snack towers need to be built by everybody watching this video. That was intense.
Well, Preston, thank you so much for spending your day with me. This was really nice to get to know you and honestly just like play games and have fun for a day.
Thank you, Michelle. It's been a blast having Target bring us content creators together. It's been amazing. So hopefully we get to meet each other in real life real soon. And for now, it's time to go. I'm gonna miss you, Michelle.
Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Let's Target with me and Preston. I had so much fun tonight having a game night. It has been a while, let me tell you. If you guys enjoyed this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss any more episodes of Let's Target. And if you're interested in any of the products featured in this video, you can check them out right here.